What's going on YouTube? It's Blake back for another video. It's great to see you guys. I haven't filmed any content in a bit. I've just been taking a break with everything recently going on. I felt like it was appropriate to kind of take a break from posting, which is what I did. But I hope all you guys are doing well. You guys have been staying safe. And today we have a very, very cool video. Took a little break from YouTube, but I'm back. We're gonna be pushing out a lot of really cool content. As you guys can see, we are in my new hype room. I did a lot to this room. I hung up a bunch of stuff, new couch, all this drip. If you guys want to watch the video on the full tour of this room, it'll be right here. Go check it out after this video. So basically right here we have about $15,000 Hypebeast mystery box. I paid a little under, around 14, but basically the person who I got it from, a friend of mine who lives in Beverly Hills, said it was worth around $15,000. We are going to unbox this, and I will put the prices as they add up as we take stuff out in the corner. My friend told me there's going to be a great variety, which is what I want to hear. I want this to be really interesting for you guys and as well as myself, but there's going to be designer, vintage, sneakers, and collectible pieces. And most of the stuff in this box will be for sale on my shopping page, bookbsneak shop. Go check it out on Instagram. It's really important you guys go follow bookbsneak shop because I'm doing a lot of Hypebeast mystery box drops, and basically I sell these mystery boxes that I put together myself, and you guys get to make profit off these boxes. So I basically offer you guys a chance to make money if you're a reseller, or if you just want random stuff from me and my collection and what I have to offer. I make really cool boxes and I have random drops at different times. $500 drops, $200 drops, $50 mystery box drops. So they're really interesting, so go follow to stay updated. So anyway, without further ado, make sure you drop a like down below if you're excited for this, and let's get right into it. Before we get into this video, I gotta give a huge shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Squarespace is a site online that allows you guys to create super creative and unique websites where you guys can sell your products through, which helps because you want to please the customers like I do on my selling stuff. And the better your stuff and the more professional your stuff looks, the more you're gonna sell. So I'll talk about Squarespace later on in this video, but thank you Squarespace for sponsoring this video. And with all that being said, let's get back into it. So basically my friend just dropped this off. I have a lot of friends in the Beverly Hills, Los Angeles area that I went to school with in the past that have Hypebeast collections. We're all growing up, I'm almost 19 now, and we all find different hobbies such as being into watches, cars, investing, all that. So I have a lot of friends that just want to dump their stuff here and there. And so basically this is what this was. He basically dropped this off earlier. So, oh, there's no shipping label if you guys were wondering. Alright. Oh, what is that? Okay, I'm just gonna start from the top. So this is a Travis Scott Astroworld Wish You Were Here rug. This thing is pretty big. If you guys can see the whole thing. Very, very cool. This is brand new. It has the StockX tags on the back. I'm gonna value this at $500. I think it goes for 6 or 7, but I would pay $500. So, all right. We have a huge variety of stuff. Just start with this random t-shirt. Okay, this is dope. So recently I've really been into vintage t-shirts, especially the long sleeve t-shirts. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see all the fire fits. And I wear a lot of vintage now. This is a really dope t-shirt. It's a Harley Davidson long sleeve. A little embroidery right there, I just noticed that. This is honestly like my type of fit nowadays. It's just like vintage t-shirt, some cool cargo pants, beanies sometimes if it's cold. And speaking of beanies, this one is in here. This is a Nike Stussy. Stussy? Stussy? I don't know how to Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is a collab with Nike and Stussy. I'm sorry. I don't know how to say it. I'm sorry. But this is brand new with tags. I'll put this at 50. So we're at 550. I'm gonna lose track. Nike SB box. Whoa. Alright, I don't really like these, but I know they're pretty pricey. Strange Love Nike SB Dunks. Lace is still attached, but they look like they've been tried on. So, not sure. Don't really like these in my opinion, but I do think that the materials are really sick. It's like a silky velvet material. I'd put these at $1,200. All right. So this is actually pretty funny. Black Cause figure. I got another one right here. So this is the one I already have. If you guys want to see it out of the box, it's the same one. Goes for $400-$500, this specific one, I'm pretty sure. But Cause has been really popular because Drake, his Tootsie Slide video, he showed a bunch of Cause in his music video at his house. And ever since that, Cause has been going up. I don't know why, how, but yeah, all these figures are worth like a lot. So I'll put those, or I'll put that one at like $400. So now we're at around $2,200. Next item, an Air Force box. Okay, so these are a pair of off-white MoMA Air Force Ones. I used to have one of these a really long time ago. These go for anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000. These are used. They have a clear zip tie. Wow, pretty cool. Yeah, so put those at $2,500. All right, so now we're at $4,700. A lot of other stuff in here. All right, Jordan 4 box. All right, size 11.5. By the way, those MoMAs were 10, but 11.5 Travis Scott Jordan 4. I'll sell these for sure on the page. Just go follow it. I post steals all the time, from personals to stuff I'm buying out. Always beneficial to you guys for sure. $600 for these. Next shoe. Whoa. I literally was looking at these like a week ago online. They're already at like 1,000 now. They jumped up to 1,000. This is a brand new 10.5. 10.5 Shatter Backboard 2.0. There's been 3, this is the second one. Really nice tumbled leather on the toe box. Put these at 900. Brand new 10.5. All right, this is a fresh juice bag. What do you think could be in here? Feels like clothing.
Maybe an acai bowl.
Acai bowl? What? Oh my. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or sell this item. Oh my god. I have to get a fire pick in this for sure, but wow. I'm gonna put this at $4,500. It's used. Wow, that's really cool. So, okay, a few other Cause in here. This is a Cause holiday piece. It's pretty cool. Put this at $400. This Cause piece, I know this guy's expensive. The dissected ones, both. Ooh, these are dope. Both of the open, I think they're called open Cause. These are like, this is like 1,000 and 900 to 1,900. That's what they are on stock at. All right, so Squarespace, if you weren't aware, like I said, it's an online service that allows you guys to create super creative and unique websites. They have a lot of very special features that allow you guys to connect super personally with your customers, so it helps you guys better your products and better what you're doing so you can sell even more. If you guys can see on the screen, there's a bunch of really easy to use and user-friendly templates that Squarespace offers on their site, so you guys can literally same day, same hour, jump into the site and literally have a website created that looks professional in a couple hours. It's really great. They gave me a link and a promo code, basically that'll be in the description, so you guys can use it if you want to go create a site. It's for a limited time, so if you're ever thinking of making your own site or a product or selling online, now is the time to do it with my promo. So go check the link down below, and thank you Squarespace for sponsoring this video. And with all that being said, let's get back into it. Regular Air Force box, Air Force One box. Oh, not Air Force Ones. Pair of Dior B23s, no box, OG none. There's no extra laces or anything. It's basically just a pair of Dior's. Size 43, which is a 10, which is the same size as my pair over there. I have a white and this pair already. Wow. Probably sell these for $800-900. Yeah, put them up at 8 for the box value. 2 more items. Pair of Yeezys and something else. So we'll open up the Yeezys. 10.5. They're $350. Oh, what? Oh, these are These are so sick. Okay, so these are the reflective black static 350s. Basically these like reflect. There's 3 on all throughout the upper. I can already see it. These are like $1,000. So I'll put these at 900. These are 10.5. These may have to be personals, to be honest. Brand new. Now, this is one of my favorite things for sure. Because I've been looking for a pair of these for a minute, but everybody has them for like 1,200, kind of high. So, last shoe is a pair of Fear of Gods. Now, I already have the original black with white sole that I'm looking at right now. I guess we'll have to see which ones these are. These are so hard. Oh my goodness. Wow. These are the black ones, triple blacks. This is a Fear God Air 1. Air Fear God 1, I don't know how you say it. These black ones are pretty clean, size 10. I think these go for like 700. So we'll put it at that. I'm gonna keep these.
15.4.
15.4. Paid 14 grand. Seems like we came up on top a little bit. So huge shout out to my friend Ben for sending me this box. That's his name. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you for the content as well as all this dope stuff. Please go check out BSneak Shop. The Instagram will be on the screen. Majority of this stuff is going to be for sale on there for really good prices because I just want to bless you guys. I get to make content out of this, and then I get to bless the community and the people that follow me with really cool prices with really cool items. So yeah, please make sure to subscribe if you guys are new. I know I haven't been super up to date with content. It's kind of been lagging, but I'm going to correct myself, fix myself, and get back on the grind. Really excited because I love making these videos. I love filming stuff like this. This was really cool, and I have a lot of cool videos on the way. So, with all that being said, it's your boy Blake. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. We're out of here.